Oh man, I'm glad we decided to keep this house. I think it's gonna be pretty good. Looking. What the? What in the world? I thought we decided to keep it.
Just the front half.
We always need dirt.
We'll always need
I know a place we can dig some out.
dig some out.
Yeah, make the pond bigger.
Just randomly dig some dirt out.
Yeah, it's right down the street.
Right down the road.
Oh, did you find some terracotta pipe?
A little terracotta pipe, some bricks. Ooh, your cedar log, you want to put that in?
Oh yeah.
I didn't forget about it.
Nice.
Put that in the back of your truck when you leave.
If only I'd had it before he had the sawmill people come over. He could have sawed that up for me.
Oh, did he have them already done?
It looks nice, actually. He did a good job. We'll see what it is end result. But
Gotcha.
man, this looks better already.
Making it look good.
What do you think, Josh?
What I do best.
You want to save the house? You can remodel it like you did the 1910 house?
Nope.
Let you live over here?
I don't even think it needs remodeling.
You just move in.
I think it's pretty
Yeah.
It's demo day.
Demo day.
Well, we probably need to be responsible and do a walk through the house and make sure we don't have any squatters.
Make sure no one's moved in.
Make sure nobody's moved into the old.
Well, I mean, if they hear the machine crank up, they'll leave, won't they? Maybe.
Maybe.
Right.
Maybe not. We should probably do one final walk through of the old house here.
Yep.
Before it goes down. Yeah, we were thinking about fixing it till we realized it needed a little attention.
A little bit of rot damage.
Ready to move in, huh?
Yeah.
Ready to move in.
Move in ready.
Move in ready.
Well, at least they got the
You can go in that door. The
no.
box is holding it shut.
The dirt is piled up too high on it now. Bring the tractor over and mow out here. It'd be nice.
Did you bring your skeleton key?
No, of course I didn't bring my key.
All right, you go around the right side, I'll go around the left. We'll find a window that's opened up. We got to get in this thing.
Yeah, make sure nobody's in here. Yeah, because
sure
since it's locked, that makes me, might be somebody.
It wasn't locked the other day.
Yeah. All right, so no way in. Where's Chris? Chris! Chris! Chris!
I got it.
How'd you get in? We couldn't find a door.
The back window was open. So what had happened was, I went to slide it up, and evidently it was a little rotten, so it just kind of... Can we fix it?
You know, we could put it back. We could still put it back, Josh. This could still be yours.
Let's do our
final. I want to keep this broom. That's a good broom.
Can you, there's some glass on the floor over here, so nobody,
Yeah, test it out.
so nobody gets hurt.
Nobody gets cut.
We'll walk around and,
That's better.
that's fine. Anything good value? Don't need an old.
These old houses, they used to have little secret compartments that they would build behind their shelves.
Just an old,
Oh, here's a jar.
we just need to find an envelope full of money somewhere is what we need.
Yeah, you might get paid then.
All right, I'm gonna dig a little farther here.
Hey, there's that broom we want to keep.
Yeah, don't forget the broom.
the broom.
We're gonna have a mouse come out and get me somewhere.
Home sweet home.
Home, sweet home. Knock the house down, just, hey, there's your old newspaper.
1927.
1927.
Oh, it's older than the house.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a coat hanger. Oh, there's a box up here.
Ooh, a box. Ooh, we got some shoes. Yay. You can go home for the day.
So that, can you go out of my truck and, the crowbar's in there, if you could grab that real quick.
We're gonna start taking stuff apart more.
Josh, get the singles. All right, see you later.
Hey, you got paid after all.
Hey, I got paid after all.
keep losing sleep, thinking of things I shouldn't have said. You got in my head, always waiting for something to break down. Think I'm safer with my head in the clouds. Keep it all in my mind as I leave you behind. I wish I could be careless with or without you, so sure of everything that I do. Careless no matter the room, careless with or without you. Every detail holding me captive to my assumptions, but I've had enough and I'm always waiting for something to break down. Think I'm safer with my head in the clouds. Keep it all in my mind as I leave you behind. I wish I could be careless with or without you, so sure of everything that I do. Careless no matter the room, careless with or without you. A panic attack in the middle of the night, thinking what to do with my hands all of the time. Second guessing every word out of my mouth, wondering if you worry about what I'm worried about. Panic attack in the middle of the night, thinking what to do with my hands all of the time. Second guessing every word out of my mouth, wondering if you worry about what I'm worried about. I'm careless with or without you, so sure of everything that I do. Careless no matter the room, careless with or without you. Careless with or without you, so sure of everything that I do. Careless no matter the room, careless with or without you.
Started too fast, now you can't slow down. The runaway girl in a hurricane town, singing a song that you never really knew, and I need you to come back home. Serving drinks in New Orleans, you met a few friends and then you headed east to Seaside, where the time flies and everybody seems to have the time of their life. I hope you're happy. Don't forget where you came from. Don't forget where you came from. Tennessee sky. You know, no matter how far you fly, I'm gonna keep holding out for you. Southern girl with a fearless heart, running out of reasons on the boulevard. You want a man who loves who you are, with a man knocking on your door.